Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So this is just a quick swatch one. These are some gels that I got sent from a company called You Are Sugar or Your Sugar. I'm not sure how it's pronounced. But yeah, they asked me if I wanted to try some of their products. And I said yes. I had a look on the website and there was something that I really wanted to try. So I'm going to show you what I got. So I'll just empty the bag. Right, so here is one of the bottles. It's an absolutely really cute, dinky little 7ml bottle. They are all 7ml bottles that I've got, so they're really small. So these are really good if you don't use the same gels over and over again. If you just want a small amount and you're not putting it on clients, you're just using it on yourself, you don't really need a lot. So I think these bottles are cute. I like them. So let's just have a look on the back. And now I know that they are cruelty-free because I asked about that. So yeah, let's get swatching them and see what they look like. These two, I've got 6.5 and 6.8. These are just regular rubber bases with a slight bit of colour, a bit like the Born Pretty ones. Right, so this is 6.5. Oh, and this is a milky white one. Oh, that's really pretty, that. So we'll swatch that one first. So links to everything that I've used will be in the description box, along with my discount code for You Are Sugar. I have got a 10% discount code. That's going to be on the screen as well, so you'll be able to see that. It'll be at the top of the screen. And all the information about the gels will be in the description box as well, and I'll put my discount code and my link in the comments for you as well. So this is URB 6.5. And that's a really nice milky white, that. Really like that. Just what a milky white should be. So next is this one, which is 6.8. Let's just have a little look. I think this is more like a nude one. Yeah, it is. So that looks like a nice colour. So this is 6.8 and that's 2 coats and that's been top coated. That is a lovely nude colour. I wasn't sure because on the website I will put pictures up and prices, but it does look like it looked more yellow, but that's absolutely gorgeous. That is, I've been looking for something like that, you know, as a base coat. That's really nice. So let's just put those both together. So there's the milky white and the nude one. They're brilliant. Those, really impressed with those. I'm not sure if they do bigger sizes in these or they're all 7ml. I'll have to have a look. So yeah, love those. So those are like your basic ones. So that's 6.5 and 6.8. Oh, and the stickers on the top, actually, I don't know if you can see, they are sort of colour coordinated. And then we've got these ones. So I've got 3.1, 3.2 and 3.7. So let's just have a look at 3.1 first. I'm really excited for this. Because, can you see that? They are rubber bases, but they've got flakes in. And you know I love flakes. I absolutely adore flakes. Wow. So that's a white one with flakes in. I'm going to swatch that straight away now. You can just see that on the brush. Ooh. So this is 0.31. And it's absolutely beautiful. Try and show you this side. See those flakes? I hope you can see it properly. So that is going to be brilliant for like Christmas nails and stuff, that one. So next we've got 0.32. And as you can tell from the label, this isn't a white one. This is a pink one, and it's got flakes in. So yeah, let's swatch this one. So this is 032, and this has got 2 coats on now. So it's like a baby pink in that one. And the shift of the flakes is pink as well. And then we've got one last one, which is 037, and this is the one that I saw on the website, so I'm really excited for this one. Saved the best till last. So this is a purple one, and this was on their Instagram as well. So here we go, this is 037. So that's had 2 coats now. And I love that. It's just like magic. I'll show you the underneath. So here are all the flaky ones together. I hope it's picking up on camera how gorgeous they are, because they are so nice. The base colours are gorgeous on their own, but then with the flakes in as well. And then we've got these 2 as well. So yeah, I've got everything I need there to do lots of different things with. So I love those normal bases, the nude and the white one. But then the flakes ones, it's just something else, isn't it? It's just, I've never seen these. I've seen the toppers with flakes. I used to have some Imaily ones that were clear with all different coloured flakes in. But I've never seen any coloured ones like this. I just love them, and I think it's just a great idea. Okay, so we're going to do a little set on the practice hand with these colours. So I'm going to go in first with the nude one. And that's going to go on all of the nails except the ring finger. I'm going to do I'm just going to brush it on like gel polish. I'm not building it up yet because these are rubber based gels, and I'm not sure if I've said earlier on in the video, you can build them up and use them like builder in a bottle. So they're not just base coats, you can use them for that as well. So that's kind of what I'm going to do. But with them being a base coat as well, it means that you can just brush them on like nail polish. They're not that thick that you can't do that with. So on the ring finger, I'm using the milky white one. So I've already put 2 coats of the milky white on the ring finger, and then on the other fingers I'm just going halfway down or around halfway down the nails with the nude, a second coat of it, and then I'm using a detailer brush just to feather it down because these are going to be like glitter fade ombres, using the white flakies one at the bottom. A lot of people do this with acrylic, but I just want to show you that you don't need acrylic to do it. You can do it with gel as well. And this was really good at being feathered down. It wasn't too thick that it had loads of gaps in it when you did it. It was perfect consistency for doing this with. So then I'm going in with the milky white one on the tips of these, and then I'm just feathering it up with the detailer brush, so the opposite way to the way I did the nude one. So I'm only showing you me doing this on the pointer and the middle finger. I'm doing exactly the same on the pinky finger, but we don't want to be here all day, do we? So I'm not including that in the video. That's being done off camera. So I'm doing this twice, but I'm only showing you me doing it once. And then when I've done that, I'm going in with the nude again for a third coat, and this is just going to be on that top half, and then I'll feather it down again. And that's just to give a bit of structure to this nail in the apex area. So I do treat this more like a builder in a bottle when I'm doing this part. And again, I'm just showing you the pointer finger and the middle finger. So you'll notice that on the photos, the nails are a bit of a different shape. I started off with a square shape, and then I decided to change it because I didn't like the way it looked. So I did file them down a bit more to make them into more like a coffin shape. I think a lot of companies now have changed the instructions so that you cure for 60 seconds instead of 30, even if you've got a 48 watt LED lamp. So that's what I did. I cured each coat for 60 seconds. And then when I've finished doing the ombre nails, I'm moving on to the ring finger, and I've got the pink and the purple, and I'm using my dotting tool and some of the base gel on a palette, and I'm just going to do 2 hearts. I'm going to do a pink heart on the top, and then I'm going to do a purple heart. I did try using the detailer brush, but the gel was really quite thick, so it was actually a lot easier just using the dotting tool. So I did that on the second one, and it took me about a quarter of the time to do the heart that it did with the first one, so I cut a lot of that out. So yeah, I just had to do something with these colours. I couldn't just leave it and not use the pink and the purple. So after I'm happy with the shape, I do like a couple of coats of that just to get the colour right. So then I wipe off the dispersion layer, and then I'm going over the top with a matte top coat. I don't have any top or base coats from You Are Sugar, so I'm just using some that I've already got. And then I'm going in with a detailer brush, and I'm just wiping around the hearts so that they do stand out and you can see the outline. I was going to go around the hearts with gel paint, but then I decided against it. So when I'm happy with them, I'm going in with a top coat, a glossy top coat on the ombre nails. And I really love the way that nude and the white flaky gel work together. That's why I chose these, so that I could do an ombre with them, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. So obviously you could do this with a pink gel at the top, and that'd look gorgeous as well. But a lot of people you know, like this kind of look with acrylic, but they can't you know, they can't do it. But you can if you've got these type of gels, because it does work. You just have to, it is a bit fiddly, but you know, it's still easy to do. So here they all are finished. So when I was first showing you these, it is very, very light and you can't see it properly, but then I do use a darker background in a minute, and I'll show you the colours really pop when they've got a dark background. So I absolutely love these gels. I love the colour of them. I love the consistency. I love the workability of them. I'm really, really impressed. But they do gel polishes and they do poly gel. They do lots of different products as well. So we'll go and check their website out. And the prices are really reasonable. I'd say they were similar to Born Pretty prices. So I absolutely love these. So I want to say a big thank you to You Are Sugar for sending these products out to me and sponsoring this video. And I want to thank you for watching my channel and watching this video. And if you did like it, please give me a like. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I will see you in the next video. So thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.